Hello, my name is Kirandeep Kaur, student number 20250351. Today I am presenting my business ideas for BUS 501. My ideas is based on the Australian aged care sector and use the business model conveys. Slide 1, Smart Care Contact Additions and Aging Population. The challenges. Repeatedly grow 65 plus population, raising aged care costs as workforce shortage, long wait times of home care service. Or solution Smart Care Contact. Digital platform for home-based care, verified local caregivers, flexible and affordable service. Why Smart Care Contact? Aged care shift, market gap, tech adoption. Australian aged care challenges. Australian is expressing a rapid demographic shift due an aging population according to the Australian Institute of Health of Welfare 2024. The populations of Australian aged 65 and above in increasing significantly create sustained pressure on aging care infusers. At the same time, the current system faces rising residentially aged care, constant service workforce shortage, long waiting lists for government-funded home care packages. Why this matter? The exciting aged care model is largely institution first and inflexible feeling to meet to modern anticipation of independence, digital and personalization care. Smart care contact business model conveys development. Interactive development, early mapping of all nine building blocks, market targets, analysis of agent care data and feedback, status adjustments, revision made based on new insight, organization refreshment, application of convenience of feasibilities and availability in highlight regular key Key incident is the results reviews customer segments moved from elderly uh, key to inside families is key decisions markers improves arguments with the financial risk and career career conscious value proposition adoptions. The solution smart care contactor proposed solution. Smart Care Contact is digital platform of contacts elderly Australian and their families with verified local caregiver form personalizations home-based care service. The platform provided flexible booking options, transport pricing, digital conditionation of care service, emphasis on trust, safety, and accessibility. Why this solution works? It's directly response to costs, pressures, service inflexibly and growing, demanding and aging at home solution. Smart care contact critical statistical decisions. Key statistical decisions refined smart care contact business model ensure feasibilities, trust and sustainability with the Australian agent care sector. Customer segment pri- priciation decision. Priciation family as key decision markers alongside elderly used. Why it was needed. Family often manages aged care decision finance 2024. Storage platform April by forcing on transparency, reliability and family trust. Pricing steadily selections. The season adoption tried a subscription based pricing often low cost models, quality and trust cities and verified factor of fund affordability 2024. Outcome balanced sustainable revenue with the sustained service quality. Key partners identification, decision, prioritizes uh, partnerships with local caregivers, addresses workers shortage and regulatory risk in aged care 2024. Outcome refunded optional risk and balancing platform liabilities. Smart Care concept application of entrepreneurial and design thinking theory. Entrepreneurial and design thinking, female work guided smart care concept, responsive used sense sensed approach. Lean structure. Experiment is variable learning pilot testing before expanding network-wide trust and safety presided over advanced future development. Effectuation theory. Start with the availability means long city concept, affordable loss over uh, predi- predictable return. Start with available means affordable loss over predictable return. Decision thinking. Equality is business planning value forcing of contactly relationship designing simple and accessible platform design. Target market. Um, Primary target market family elderly Australian, often responsible for decision making, manage payment risk and service and conditions. Secondary user elderly care receptions. Direct beneficiaries for care service supporting evidence. National evidence care data shows families frequency act as key decision markers. National uh, particularly where long-term planning and financial communities are involved, raising, targeting families, increase adoption, trust, and reunion while aligning with world care decision behavior. Value populations. Smart Care Contact delivers affordable yet trust home-based care. Key value elements: verified and screened caregiver transportation, pricing structures, facilities, scheduling based on individual needs, emotional resource for families, continuity and reliability of care, supporting evidence. Research show that trust, service quality, and caregiver reliability reference every care decision as much as price 2023. Why this matters? Transcatting families in score adoption and category reliable influence decision as much as price. Business model conveys key highlight. Key business model compassionates customer segments, families, and elderly individuals. Value proposition, trust, flexibility, home-based care. Channels, digital platform. Key partners, local caregivers, aids care frameworks, revenue statements, tried subscription model, expiation rather than peri personalizing all nine block. These slides highlights that com, com, complements and directly drive adoption, trust, and susceptibilities. Critical strategic decision. Customer focus shifts from elderly only to family uh, inclusive decision markers. Pricing subtracts subscription-based model instead of one of transcription. Key partners: local caregivers, aged care framework, revenue statements. Reasoning: each decision was driven by advising from aged care data, workforce reliance, and sustainability requirements. Revenue model scalabilities, revenue strategies, tied subscription plans, predictable returning income, supporting investment is caregivers verifications and quality control. Partnership strategy, collaboration with local caregivers, revenue statements, increase caregivers network statements, supply side scalabilities. Why scales? The model grow through network effects rather than physical in futures. Innovation is sustainability, dimension. Social support isn't with the dignity at home. Economic reduce realization on expensive radiation care. Environment lower institutes resources. Innovation approach. Innovation is not limited and technology is include uh, approaches transparency human construct instance decisions. Why scalable? The model grow through network uh, efforts rather than physical influence. What smart care contact need? To scale effectively, smart care contact seeks strategic partnership with healthcare provided government and community support, quiet funding or innovation grants. Purpose of the ask to validate and the modern to at scales while maintaining service quality and com- compliance. Key success drivers, strong alignment with the government agent care reforms, evidence-based business model, high trust and remuneration patterned, scalable, ethical and sustained structures. Competitive advisors, human-centered care, digital effective. Smart Care Contactor respect future-ready solution to Australian agent care challenges by combining technology, trust, and community-based care. Strong alignments with government agent care research. Advice-based business model, high trust and uh, reputation coordinators.